Eee. My baby. It's my baby. It's her birthday today. Mwah. It's the big 3-0. And I could totally feel it. Anyways, I never treat myself to anything, but we did finally get our fan. And, you know, that all worked out. But I just realized what a loser. I didn't even really think about the whole electricity system. I just realized, are there lights in there? But hopefully I still have my solar panels from my RV that was sold. And this, I think, is my skates. I finally treated myself to some brand new skates. So your girl needs to get back to the skate park. I'm so glad I opened this thing. I need to buy myself a new camera. My Uncle Bobby sent me a camera, but it didn't get to my... Ooh! I finally got protective gear. Look at this, baby. Ooh! They match the skates. Let's see. Oh, so cute. See? Oh, these ones are so fucking cute. Look. Scotty girl. Oh my gosh. They're so cute. Wow, see, these are perfect for the skate park. I have my rollerblades for commuting, but wow. I wanted to get the matching skate pads with this, but they were sold out. I wanted the pastel ones. That was yellow, pink. But instead, I know I went crazy. No, this wasn't me manic spending. I just never spend money on myself besides for like gasoline to put in my car to get to and from work. So yeah, give me a break. And my other ones, they, I don't know, they just been in storage so long and were in my van for my old RV for so long that they just kind of got a little destroyed. But those are my purple ones. Nice. Oh my God, look. So cute. These. But I don't want to, I don't want to use these on the street in the concrete. I want to use these at the skate park only. These are sweet. Look at how slick they are. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh my God, perfect fit. So cute. So fucking cute. I'm so excited. I just gotta get it.